Run.
Our workout today is an AMRAP in 20 minutes. We're going to go ahead and be moving through as many rounds as possible of a 400-meter run followed by 10 snatches. This could be power or squat. It could be a combination of both. Our starting weight for these snatches is going to be 95 pounds for the men and 65 pounds for the women. Now, as we go through this, every round you get to the snatch, we're going to increase the load. So that's going to be really fun. If we're doing it RX, you're going to go ahead, start at 95 or 65, and you're going to increase 20 pounds total on your bar every round. So if we're doing that, that's going to be 10 pounds on each side as you increase. All right. You can also start at that starting weight, but increase a little bit lower. That could be level 1, adding 10 pounds to your bar total, 5 on each side. And then finally, level 2 would be adding 5 pounds to each side, 5 pounds total, 2.5 on each side to your bar. No matter what level you decide to choose as you increase the load, you can also choose to start at a different weight. If the power snatch at 95, 65 is still a little bit too heavy, go ahead and start with something a little bit lighter and move through this. Understanding that as our snatches get heavier, our rounds will get a little bit slower. We're looking to complete around 3 to 5 rounds here, okay? So that's going to be 5 increases if you're on the upper side, 3 increases if you're on the lower side. We're going to try to move through this. I do want you to increase every single time, so make sure you're doing that math so you know exactly where you'll end if you do get 5 rounds. On the power snatches, we want to make sure keeping this bar nice and close. We're going to start with our hips higher than our knees. Our chest is up. As we come up, we're going to keep this bar as close to our body without touching it. And then when we get to the top, we're going to keep it close and then get underneath it fast. Make sure you stand up every rep. On the lighter ones, we can go ahead and go unbroken. But as we move through it, again, it's going to get a little bit heavier, so you may want to go ahead and start moving through singles. There's no wrong answer here today. I really like this workout because it is going to be tailored exactly to you, but it also becomes a little bit more challenging. So again, we're going to go ahead and get an AMRAP in 20 minutes. See how many rounds you can get at this beautiful 400-meter power snatch workout.
Run.